take the long road, counting every turn we didn't plan. Map on your phone keeps spinning, still you walk, still you walk, shaking hand in hand.
I cut through side streets, guessing which doorway hides the square.
Scuffed up souls split at the edges, but they move.
But they move, get me halfway there.
You say, look, the line at the office wraps around. We'll be here all day.
I say, yeah,
but we brought sandwiches.
We'll eat slow,
we'll stay. We keep going, even if it's crooked. Sideways steps on a broken lane. No big ending, just another morning. Two ways through the rain. Two ways through the rain.
you fold the letters from that winter into smaller squares.
Stuff them down behind the bookcase, dust on your wrist, but you still leave them there.
I keep the messages on a cracked screen I never fix.
Thumb hovering over deleted,
Heart like a bruise that still checks for the hit.
you say, look, the sink's overflowing. All these dishes, all this gray foam.
I laugh,
Pass me that towel.
we'll flood slow, we'll call this home.
We keep going, even if it's crooked. Sideways steps on the broken lane. No big ending, just another morning. Two ways through the rain.
Your voice shakes mine too, but they don't break.
They don't move away.
Your hand shakes in my jacket pocket. Still it stays, still it stays.
Bus is late, shoes are split, payday's thin as a parking ticket.
We miss trains, we miss chances.
Still we show up, still ways through the